In this video, we'll be demonstrating the use of the StringBuilder class and some of its methods. Now, I'm just going to show you how this changes. So prior to this video, we made another one about string buffer. So StringBuilder is similar to string buffer in that it represents a mutable sequence of characters. So I'm just going to show you what needs to change for this program. So instead of using the string buffer class, now we will use the StringBuilder. So this part changes. Builder. Now the other thing is I want to rename my object, but you know that it's been used in 8 times or 8 references in my program, or 9 or 8 occurrences. So it's not convenient to just keep copying and pasting. What you can do is right click on the object reference and click on refactor and then choose to rename. So now instead of buffer, I'm going to call this builder object, and it changes across the whole program. When I hit enter, that's everything. So any reference in my comments about string buffer will be replaced to string builder, but that's pretty much it. Everything else remains the same. So I've got a string builder object created using the string builder class, and using this reference, we were able to append, insert, replace, and delete. So when I run the program, we start off with the string welcome, which comes from the constructor call. And then after append, we have added to this channel, this text. Then using insert at index 7, we've added an exclamation mark. And then we have replaced index 9 to 10. Now 10 is not included, so we've replaced that with a capital T. And then we deleted the range from index 12 to 16, excluding 17. So what? No, actually that's what we've deleted. So this was index 9, this is 10, this is 11. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all of that gets deleted. And so our last or final string is just basically welcome, exclamation mark, to channel. So that's pretty much it for StringBuilder. In the next video, we're gonna talk about the main differences. I'll see you then.